everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to introduce you to a new hair care range by L'Oreal Paris, which has helped me to solve a number of my hair issues as well as helped me to achieve my dream lengths, because I do have very curly hair and curly hair actually takes a lot of time to grow long. So I'm going to talk about L'Oreal Paris Dream Lengths hair care range, and the star product of this entire range is this bad boy. This is the L'Oreal Paris Dream Lengths No Haircut Cream, which I have been using since the last 2 weeks, and I have gained quite a lot of thoughts about this particular product, which I'm going to share in this video. So I hope you're gonna like it. Make sure you subscribe and let's get started. So if you guys have been following me for quite some time, you know that this is how my natural hair looks like. I do have this super curly frizzy hair. My hair is very thick and each hair stand is very thick, so it becomes really unmanageable for me most of the time to just handle my super curly hair. I really like my curls, but I just want my hair to look really manageable and nice. For that reason, in most of my videos you will find that I do have very sleek straight hair, because I do use heat styling tools quite often. Around twice to thrice a week I use my straightener to just straighten my hair in order to make my hair look really manageable and nice. As a result, I do a lot of damage to my hair. Using a lot of heat styling tools actually cause a lot of dryness, making your hair really weak, prone to breakage, and you will find a lot of split ends, which I have experienced over years. I experience a lot of split ends and the ends are really dry. As a result, I just need to visit salon every single month to just trim off the ends of my hair so that my hair looks really healthy, really luscious, really nice and soft. So the entire Dream Lengths hair care range by L'Oreal Paris is just an one-step solution for all of these issues. This entire range caters to very damaged, very breakage prone hair. If you are suffering from this kind of damage, hair damage or split end issues, this entire range will be helping you a lot. All the products that are there in this particular range are going to work to repair your split ends, to add a lot of moisturization and nourishment to your hair, so that you will not have the tendency to just visit salon every single time to just trim off the last 3 centimeters of your hair. So the entire Dream Lengths hair care range by L'Oreal Paris consists of her Dream Lengths Restoring Shampoo and her Detangling Conditioner, and an amazing product which I was talking about. This is the star product of this entire range. This is the L'Oreal Paris Dream Lengths No Haircut Cream. So this product is a great hair cream. It's basically a leave-in conditioner which you can use on your wet hair as well as on your dry hair, but I like to use this one on my wet hair. So this particular hair cream not only just helps in keeping your hair damage free in order to just save the last 3 centimeters of your hair, it also helps in moisturizing the ends of your hair so that your ends become really soft and supple, and as a result your hair will be not that prone to breakage or split ends. It also helps in regenerating the hair lengths as well as helps in sealing the split ends. So with regular usage, after using it for a month or so, you will find that you have really less split ends and you will not have the tendency to just visit salon and just get a haircut done. The name is really apt. I have been using it since the last 2 weeks, guys, and I am getting really good results. It's already creating magic on my hair. I have seen that my hair is actually growing and I'm not visiting salon to just get a haircut. So now coming to this particular cream, as I have mentioned, it's the L'Oreal Paris Dream Lengths No Haircut Cream. Coming to the packaging, I just love the packaging. It looks so cool on my vanity. Such a pretty kind of deep peach bottle with a pink kind of pop on cap, which you can open like this to make the product out from the bottle. Now coming to the actual consistency of this leave-in cream. It's having a perfect consistency, neither too thick nor too runny. It's having a very nice creamy emollient kind of consistency, which actually helps in distributing the product really well on all over your hair, basically on the lengths of your hair. You will not find any kind of stickiness going on. It smells amazing, guys. The smell actually lingers on my hair for around 2 to 2.5 days after I apply this product. The smell is so amazing. It's having a kind of fruity with a florally scent to it, which is not at all nauseating, and I love this fragrance. It just gives you a kind of very fresh, a summery fragrance which you are definitely going to enjoy. So how you can actually use this product? I basically use this product after I cleanse my hair using the L'Oreal Paris Dream Lens Restoring Shampoo and the L'Oreal Paris Detangling Conditioner. After I use the shampoo and the conditioner on my wet hair, I apply this product. I take around a walnut size of this on my palm and then evenly apply it from the length of my hair, basically from mid-length towards the ends, because I get the most dryness on the ends of my hair where I basically concentrate that product, and I like to evenly apply it on all over my hair. I don't apply this product on my scalp because you are not supposed to use a leave-in cream / conditioner on your scalp. Just apply it on your hair and you are going to feel how soft your hair is becoming, and it is perfect for all hair types, so you can definitely give this one a shot. So this particular hair cream contains 3-star ingredients. It contains a vegetal keratin, which helps in protecting your hair from damage which you get through harsh treatments like styling, like heat styling your hair, like coloring your hair. Vegetal keratin works really well in just repairing the damage of your hair. It also helps seals in the tips of your hair. So you will find that with regular usage, the ends of your hair are becoming really soft and it's more manageable, and you're not going to experience those excessive split ends. So it also contains castor oil. Castor oil has got a lot of nourishing properties. I really like to apply castor oil on my eyelashes, on my eyebrows, because castor oil helps in hair growth. Also contains essential vitamins which actually works from within in order to feed your hair. All these essential vitamins work together to just make your hair really healthy and less prone to breakage. So with regular usage you will definitely find that you will be experiencing less split ends and your hair is actually becoming healthier from within. All of these ingredients actually work together in order to just regenerate the length of your hair and also seals in the split ends. So as I have mentioned, guys, I have been using this product since the last 2 weeks, and I have already seen that it is actually working on the ends of my hair, and to some extent I have also noticed that the dryness of my ends, basically the ends of my hair, it has reduced a lot, and I'm going to use it a lot more to see the best result and to get the best result out of it. So coming to my final thoughts, I would say you can definitely try out this leave-in cream by L'Oreal Paris, and I was really intrigued with the concept behind this particular cream, which actually made me to try this one out, guys, because this Dream Lens No Haircut Cream by L'Oreal Paris, this name actually intrigued me because I was just longing to just grow my hair for a very long time, and you know that curly hair really takes time to just grow. So if you want to just grow your hair really long, if you want to just seal in the splits and just make your hair damage free to some extent, you can definitely try out this entire Dream Lens hair care range by L'Oreal Paris. This entire range is actually meant for overall just growth of your hair, just growing your hair really long. So you can definitely incorporate it in your regular routine because it's a complete hassle-free routine which you can definitely carry out. It's going to work on every kind of hair you have. If you have very curly hair like I do, you can use it. If you have long hair, you can use it. If you have very wavy hair or super slick hair, you can use it because it's suitable for all hair types out there. This particular product is also free from parabens and sulfates, so it's very safe to use on hair, and the price is also affordable. So you can definitely try it. This product is priced at rupees 499 for 200 ml, which is definitely going to last you for quite a long time. You can definitely try this one out. I'm going to put the links of this product in the description box, so if you want, you can definitely try out. You can try out the entire Dream Lens hair care range by L'Oreal Paris. I'm going to put the links of that entire range as well, and also I'm going to put the link of this particular cream in the description box. So that's all, guys. This is my take on the new L'Oreal Paris Dream Lens No Haircut Cream. This is a really good product and you can definitely try it. I would highly recommend you guys to try out because I have used it and I don't have anything bad to say about it. It has definitely helped in making the ends of my hair really soft. But you have to be consistent with any kind of product you use. You can't use a single product one single time and expect it to create magic on your hair. You have to follow a good hair care routine along with your diet and everything, and that's going to definitely create magic on your hair. I have shared my 100% honest opinions about it, and I hope that this video will definitely help you a lot. And if it did, make sure you hit on the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you're watching me for the first time, take a moment and subscribe. It will mean a world to me. We'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care of yourself, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye guys.